Hey yo, I can lick it, I can ride it while you slipping and sliding. I can do all them little tricks and keep the dick up inside.
She's alright, that girl's alright with me. Yeah.
Hey yo, I can lick it, I can ride it while you slipping and sliding. I can do all them little tricks and keep the dick up inside it. You can smack it, you can grip it, you can go down and kiss it. And every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna F-R-E-A-K-F.
No white SFX.
It's a problem, call my sleds, I want all of them, come to the back, yes, come to the back, yes, I'm gon' be her back, and my pops used to ride in that fucking Pontiac, and you know, I
got a secret, can you keep it? Swear this one you save, better lock it in your pocket, taking this one to the grave. If I show you, then I know you won't tell what I said, 'cause two can keep a secret if one of them is dead. Why do you smile like you've been told a secret? Now you're telling lies, 'cause you have sworn to keep it, but no one keeps a secret, no one keeps a secret. Why, when we do our darkest deeds, do we tell? They burn and our brains become a living hell, 'cause everybody tells, everybody tells. Got a secret, can you keep it? Got a secret, can you keep it? Swear this one you save, better lock it in your pocket, taking this one to the grave. If I show you, then I know you won't tell what I said, 'cause two can keep a secret if one of them is dead.
We have a problem with killing.
I don't have a problem with killing. I like a little killing now and then. What's wrong with that?
Killing is an addiction like any other drug. But we're parents now. We have to set a good example. Oh, let's quit, Chucky. Right now. Cold turkey.
You have got to be kidding.
Promise me, Chucky. No more killing.
No,
Chucky.
No
More killing. We can't do it anymore. We have a future to think of. We have a child.
Fine. All right already. I promise.
Come now and follow me down to the lights of Galway, where there's fine sailors walking the town.
Daddy, 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 hurry, I saw something scurry.
Son, what's all this screaming for? You're gone away, the neighbor's next door.
Daddy, I think there's a spider on my floor. Is it? And will you squish it?
You call me in here in the middle of the night to come into your room and destroy life. Isn't that what they teach you in Sunday school?
Some men are absolutely disgusting. Like, yuck, 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 yuck. Oh my God. So, I was just at the gym, being a baddie, trying to build a fatty bitch. And there's a guy working out next to me. And all of a sudden, a girl passes by and, he doesn't even look at her. Doesn't look at her face, just looks at her ass and, stares for a good 30 seconds. Like a weirdo. Like a straight 30 second. I understand peeking, 10 seconds, but 30 seconds just straight. And, there's nothing wrong with checking a girl out because some of these girls out here be fine. Like, they be making you break your neck just to look at them because they're bad bitches, so it's well deserved. But the problem is, this man had the audacity to look at his friend and be like, that's a hard sex. And then he started criticizing everything about this girl's body, even down to the fucking leggings she was wearing. Oh my God. But then, bitch, it got worse, because then I started noticing that they were following different girls around the gym while they were doing their workouts, and they were rating them and critiquing them as to why they wouldn't or would smash. Like, what the fuck? And in my head, I'm like, first of all, y'all are hardcores. I don't know why y'all talking when you look like the creepy uncles at the barbecue, bitch.
Cause sometimes I look in her eyes, and that's where I find a glimpse